The Backstage Open, Save and Close. Here in this video, we are going to learn about the Backstage opening, saving and closing workbooks in Excel 2010. The File button shows the file command options. This is also mentioned as the Backstage view in Excel 2010. These commands in File menu are concentrated on letting you to work with your workbook or document. For Backstage view, we click on File command. Here is our Backstage view in Excel 2010. Under the Info section, we can manage the versions, check for issues, that is, we may check for issues related to sharing the Excel file with someone. We can also protect the workbook so that there are restrictions about opening, copying, and changing any part of the workbook. The Recent command gives us the information about workbooks which are recently opened workbooks on the left and recently opened folders on the right. So we can use those workbooks or folders to view them anytime. The New command is used to create a new blank workbook. So select Blank Workbook and on the right of the screen, click on Create. Here is our workbook having 3 default sheets. Go back again. There are also the available templates for Excel 2010 workbooks files. We can see here recent templates which have been used. Sample templates, those come with Excel 2010. My templates include our own templates. The most powerful feature of using templates are of templates which are available in MicrosoftOffice.com templates. For instance, if we want to create an expense report, click on Expense Report and we can go in Office.com where the expense report templates are available. If we select any one of those, we can see brief picture on the right of the screen. So select any one of those and click on Download. So here is our expense report workbook file in Excel 2010, customized for our own needs. Go back for now to the Backstage view. Notice we have Save, Save As, and Close. These commands are same as all the Office applications. If we go for Open, it gives us a list of Excel files in the last folder you were working on. So we can select the file and open it. Save and Send option allows you to save your workbook file and send it to somebody by email or save to web or save to SharePoint. Here, you change the file type or you can create PDF or XPS document.